Hi babes, today I'm showing you how to create this easy, good and berry eye makeup look. This is a step-by-step eyeshadow makeup tutorial for beginners. If you have been struggling in creating eyeshadow look or creating a lifted eye look, this look is for you. So I started with creating a transition color. I used a warm brown to create a transition color. Then I took a smaller detailed brush. I dip it into that same eyeshadow I use as the transition color. This time I'm concentrating it at the outer part of my eye. So if you want a lifted outer eye, you need to concentrate the colors you're using, the eyeshadow color at the outer edge of your eyes, and you blend it towards your hairline, and also make sure it's pointing towards your brow tail. So I basically just focus on that area, and I use a matte eyeshadow. I use brown and I use warm brown and cool brown as well. For the lid, I first of all added a pigment glue, then I added that eyeshadow on top of it. So the pigment glue basically helped the eyeshadow to stick more onto my lid, and then I went ahead to line my lower half bottom line. So I did not take it all the way to the inner part. So for tight lining, I created more like half reverse wing liner, so that way it just give my eye definition. But for the lower part of my lash line, I did not extend the eyeliner all the way to my tear dot, because that is how I wanted it to look like. I wanted to complement that card Arabic lifted eye outer part of the eye look. So then I picked a smaller brush, dipped it into a black eyeshadow, and I used that to extend the liner that I did on the lower part of my eyes, to extend it into the outer corner of my eyes, just to blend it so that one won't be able to see where the liner stopped. Then I also went into another pigment eyeshadow, and I used that to I added that to the innermost part of my eyes, and I also extend it onto my lid just to create that beautiful shiny sparkling effect. And I use the same, so I use what I have left in my brush on my nose just to add a bit of sparkling on my nose. Then I went to use a mascara to bring out my lower lash line and to bring out my lower lashes, and it looks really beautiful. And this is what we have. The eyes look really neat and beautiful. I love how I extended the outer part to like almost to my hairline. It gives that really nice, fierce, beautiful, clean look. And here is the finished look. So I topped the eyeshadow gold and berry eyeshadow look with a nude lip, because I wanted the focus to be on the eyes, not on the lips. And that is what I have. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll see you in my next tutorial.